Health experts in Nigeria have called for more investment on the training needs of nurses in the country and the improvement of their welfare to enable them to perform more effectively. Some of them spoke at an event organized by the Zenith Medical and Kidney Center in Abuja to recognize the invaluable role that nurses play as part of efforts to mark the International Nursing Week. Idong Joseph reports.
Nurses form an integral part of the workforce of the health sectors in every country. Thus, they are key players in any country's healthcare delivery aspiration. Nurses are often referred to as the backbone of every healthcare sector. And while their importance in accessing healthcare cannot be overemphasized, many believe that issues related to their welfare should be given priority.
We know what the minimum wage is in the country and the present state of inflation in our country. So you realize that they are not well remunerated. We don't recognize their role in the healthcare delivery system. I think it's important that we begin to do that. They deserve better pay.
With the nursing profession in Nigeria facing several challenges, some are advocating for more investment in the training of nurses to improve their performance.
And of course, training, the areas where they don't have, we lack that training and retraining of our nurses. So I think it's important that we begin to recognize this, that every center will need to train their nurses very well.
I'm trying to navigate my way through to seeing that, again, nurses are not just bedside nurses to give out pills or give injection, but again, there is more to their educational level, and seeing to the fact that they can get more training, they can get additional accolades. It's not just a nurse.
Experts are also calling on the government to put measures in place to address the shortage of nurses in the nation's health sector.
Like I said, over 30% of the workforce in the hospital are nurses. So the country should not tolerate a situation where you have them living in numbers, because we recognize their role in the system.
If the government can step in and make the living condition or working conditions of nurses better, I think the situation in Nigeria with the healthcare situation in Nigeria would be better.
With Nigeria joining other countries around the world to recognize the role that nurses play in society, Nigeria's government has been tasked to put necessary laws in place to improve their welfare. In Abuja for News Central, I am Idong Joseph.